In this video, you will learn how to replace a gas cylinder on the ABL800 FLEX analyzer. Access the recording fluid replacement screen by pressing Analyzer Status, Reagents, and then Replace. Remove the gas cylinder by turning it counterclockwise. The valve must be clear of any debris. Scan the barcode on a new gas cylinder. Place the gas cylinder valve on the socket of the regulator. To ease alignment, use the analyzer enclosure as a guide. The gas cylinder is shown on the screen. You can remove an item from this list by highlighting it and then pressing Undo. Press Restart. Before discarding an empty cylinder, remove the safety valve using the valve key. You have now seen how to replace a gas cylinder on the ABL800 FLEX analyzer.